Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn having fun with drawing with me, right? So in today's video we're going to draw a mango, right? You guys know mango, right? It's a really delicious foods, you know. It's delicious. Mango are super yummy and sweet, making them tasty and delicious, right? And also, okay, then let's start. Okay, in today's video we going to learn mango, so I suggest you to prepare your stuff. Okay, we start with this color, orange. Then, all right guys, you can follow me. Well, at first we need to make a shape like this. So from here, so you can go like this, right? Then like this, then like this, right? This is like mango shape, right? Okay, looks pretty nice, right? Okay, you go something like this, guys. Okay, then after that I will use the green color to make the branch here, so like this. So here will be like this. Then after that I will give the leaves here like this, right? From here like this, guys. Then after that from here like this, the curve line like this. Okay, and right, great. So after that I will give the the color to the leaves here. So I will give the color here, so you guys can follow me like this. Oh, okay, right. So you can just follow me like this. Okay, looks nice. Okay guys, slowly but surely. All right, it's pretty nice, right? Then okay, I will give some detail to the leaves here. So from here you can just straight line like this, right? You can use straight line like this. Then after that you give some line like this, so it will be looks like leaves here. Okay, then it's done with the leaves and the branch here. So and the next one we need to give some eyes, like as usual, to make it cute. So just make it like this. All right, then the other one like this. Okay, right, then you can give some the eyebrow also can, to make it looks more cute, of course. All right, this is will be really cool mango, right? Then after that you can give a big circle here and then here. Okay, the next one is big circle here inside the circle. Okay, basically we have 1 2 3 circle, right? Then after that you just give a black color like this. All right, so just slowly but surely and enjoy the process, guys. Hope you guys learning something today with me and having fun drawing with me as well, right? Okay, don't tell your mom that you draw, you just draw. Then when your mom arrive at home from office, you can show your mom like, mom, I have something to show you. Then you show the drawing you did with me, guys. That your mom and your father will be like, oh my god, they will so proud of you, right? Don't worry, just draw. No need to be perfect, no need to be good, because drawing for everyone is unique. Okay, no bad drawing, no good drawing. Everyone can draw and then everyone is unique, right? Then so the next one is a mouth over here, so I will give mouth over here. Like this, right? It will be look like this. Okay, and then okay, the next one I will give a red color to make the expression looks even more cute. So from here I will give red color here, right? Something like this. Okay, then the next one I will give here, right? You can follow me like this, guys. All right, okay, looks great already. Then after that I will give the orange color here for the mango, here So I can start from yeah, you can start from here or from here, it's up to you guys. Then let's go together. Right, this is mango, looks so tasty, you know. And speaking of mango, it's good for your eyes. Mangoes have vitamin A, which is like a superhero power for your eyes. So you can eat this beautiful and delicious food to makes your eyes looks even healthier, right? Because the benefit inside the mango is really good, and also it makes your skin glow, guys. Eating mangoes can make your skin looks nice and healthy, right? I did some research and study for the mango, and mango also have other benefit. Helps your tummy. What do you mean? Helps your tummy? Means like they have fiber that helps your tummy feels good and working well. So, right? It's so powerful, right? So have a lot of benefit inside this mango, right? Okay, just show like this. Okay, it's nearly done and looks pretty good already, right? Okay, then okay, just need to color around here. All right. Okay, hope you guys follow this video until this stage, and hope you guys learned something today. I also, the very important thing is hope you guys really enjoy drawing together with me, right? Right, it's nearly done and looks so beautiful, right? Okay, looks pretty nice, right? Okay, right, that's the video. Enjoy your mangoes with your family because they are not only delicious, but also great food for your body, right? So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, to likes, and then to comment how do you think about the mangoes and about your artwork you draw with me. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. See you for the next video, guys. Bye bye. Thank you, guys.